Colombia is known for the hottest women in the world, and today I'm gonna be using Tinder Passport to find out if that's the truth. What's going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. Before the video starts, make sure you pound that like button, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. This is basically a series where I get on Tinder Passport and swipe on some of the hottest girls in the world. So if you guys have ideas of where you want to see me swipe in the next video, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. All right, so let's fire up the old Tinder machine. So people keep telling me Colombia has like the hottest chicks ever, so we're gonna see if that's true. And right off the bat, we've got a really, really strong start. This girl's an absolute smoke show. Wow, okay. I feel like I'm already sold, but let's keep swiping. You know what I realized I haven't been doing in these videos too, is I haven't been going to the top picks and checking those out. So I'm gonna check that out too. Looks like I got a match off the bat. Do you have a Canadian boyfriend? Yeah, so let's check out top picks and see what that's looking like. Top picks is basically like the hottest of the hottest on Tinder. So, you know, if there's some baddies, they should pretty much be here. Oh, wow. What are we doing? Okay, boys. We're off to the races here a little bit. Yeah, people were not kidding when they said Colombia's got the hottest chicks. Like, what are we doing here? Whoa. Okay. Noticing a lot of bikini photos. I guess there's like a lot of beaches in Colombia. That's pretty cool. Oh my God. Okay, there's a lot of sound going on in that video, but wow. I had to swipe right on every single top pick in Colombia because, quite frankly, like, how do you pick just one? They were all so beautiful. Okay. A lot of those pictures were like the phone's in front of her face, but still. Okay, well, we got a match. I feel like she might be a catfish, boys, based on like the very few number of face pics. Love the tattoo. I'm just gonna assume all these girls can speak English, to be honest. Whoa, okay. Camila, that is very provocative. What is going on right now? I feel like, what's going on with her one eye? She's got like an emoji over her one eye in like every photo. I hope her eye's okay. Hope she didn't get like poked in the eye or anything like that, because we all know how much that hurts. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Like, I must say, Colombia has some absolute beauties. As I say that, another match too. Take me to your waterfall. And I'll add like a little wet emoji. Wet. Couple wet emojis just so she gets the idea that like I'm not trying to be dry, you know? But yeah, like the Colombian ladies are looking really, really good so far. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, okay, this girl's a rocket. Might have to like take a little vacation down to Colombia. Wow, just one after another too. Like, they're not giving daddy any rest right now. Wow. I'm a big fan of Colombia. You know what? This might have to be the next destination on the bucket list. What's going on in this photo? Is that a bikini or is she on like a surgery table? I'm just very confused. It looks like she's wearing like surgery robes in that photo. Is she like trying to let us know something? Like she got some work done, or a little weird? Oh, I wish I could read what this says. If anyone can speak Spanish, comment down below. Let me know what that bio said. Because if I marry this girl, like, I'm gonna need to know what her Tinder bio said. Wow, Daniela is a absolute 10. Whoa. It says, it has like a little Tinder gold emoji beside this girl's name. I feel like they're letting me know that this girl has liked me already, which I feel like that kind of takes away the surprise a little bit, but damn. I mean, how do I say no to that? I hope she's looking for a Canadian boyfriend. Whoa, Helen, you're leaving it all on the line, aren't you? I respect the hustle. Whoa, what are we doing here? Some absolute cannons. I feel like the girls in Colombia are just like so much more forward about like being sexy. Like they're just out here. Like, why be discreet when you could show off the fact that you're wearing like a thong, you know? Just makes too much sense. Okay, first pick is glitching, but I've seen enough. Wow. Is that a face tattoo? Oh, and like a throat tattoo? This girl's like really hardcore. She would definitely ruin my life, eh? Oh my God. Is this real? Is this a real profile? Like, that is pretty hardcore. It looks like so photoshopped the way that like the lines are. I love how I'm like an old man like zooming into an ass here, but we'll give her a right swipe. You ever like chilling with your grandfather and they're like looking at their phone like this close because they can't see shit? That's pretty much me at this point. Okay. Damn, it's just like one absolute rocket after another here. If I didn't have Tinder Gold, I will say like I would probably run out of swipes pretty quick, but then again, I couldn't swipe in Colombia without Tinder Gold, so we'll just delete that point from the conversation, eh? Okay, whoa, this girl definitely hits the gym, eh? Looking very athletic, Valeria. I'm gonna give this girl a super like. Like, I would literally fly to Colombia just to drink this girl's bathwater, so she's getting a super like. Oh my God, boys, no way. No fucking way. Okay, shit's getting real, boys. Shit is getting very real here. Pretty much matched with my future wife here. Low key, I would fly to Colombia and make you my wifey in a heartbeat. Hopefully that works, you know? Guys, if this actually works out and she's down to marry me, I will vlog the video and put it up on YouTube for you guys. Man, after matching with that girl, I feel like I don't even want to keep swiping because I feel like that must have been the pinnacle of Colombian Tinder right there. Doesn't get much better than that. Or does it, you know? Like, what are we doing? I'm really confused as to what's going on in the background of this photo. Is she like surrounded by people that she blurred out? That's kind of sketchy. That photo just makes me uncomfortable, you know? This girl looks like what happens when you listen to Lil Peep a few too many times. We've all been there. Oh, another match. Take me on a hike. She definitely knows some good mountain spots, so I had to ask her for the hike, eh? Oh my God. Oh yeah, the classic, I've never met on here, add me on Instagram. She's gonna get a right swipe anyway though. But we all know what that's about. If you guys are actually adding girls on Instagram from Tinder, you've learned nothing from my videos. Like, that is just a one-way ticket to getting your time wasted. Oh, this girl's really cute. Whoa! Oh my God. Is that real? That can't be real. There is so much going on right now. I'm very confused. Give her a right swipe though. Oh my goodness. She knows what she's doing, eh? Wow. Boys, I feel like this video is gonna get demonetized on YouTube if I put it up with how hot these girls are. Like, it's borderline inappropriate. Borderline inappropriate. Oh my God, that girl's hot too. I swiped right so fast I didn't even get to see her. We'll give like a couple right swipes within here too, just to like bless all these beautiful Colombian ladies. Yeah, you get a right swipe, and you get a right swipe, and you get a right swipe. Oh yeah, you can get a right swipe, and you, 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 and you. Guys, this is like never ending. Like it's just non-stop baddies at this point. Like, wow, what are we doing? That's it. I'm thoroughly convinced that I need to move to Colombia and spend the rest of my life in Latin America because everyone in Colombia is so beautiful. This is great. If you're Colombian and you're watching this, congratulations. I think Colombia is officially the sexiest place on earth. That's my ranking, 10 out of 10. Colombia wins at Tinder. So if you guys haven't yet, try it out. Set your Tinder Passport location to Colombia right now and let me know down in the comments how you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you pound that like button and hit subscribe. Also, if there's a country or a city that you want to see me swipe on in the next video, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. Peace.